So we're leaving Moab, and we came to the gas station to get some air for a tire and some extra gas. And we found this Ming egg rolls.
Oh my god, amazing!
And they're so good. I mean, it's like one of those things you get on, you know, gas stations that you never think are gonna be good, but then you see people in the line getting them, and you gotta try them, right? Because they're probably good. They probably know what they're getting, and man, they are good. So if you ever come to Moab, this is the food mart at the Chevron station, almost to the south of Moab. Try them. Egg rolls, real good.
Delicious.
We're falling like stars.